Hey everyone, shh, it's nighttime over here, but I have enough energy to make this video for you because I had to get this out. That's right, this is going to be my top 4 window key shortcuts for Windows 8.1. Now, yes, there's a lot of shortcuts available out there. However, some shortcuts are rarely used. Other ones I just find that I could get to it much quicker with using my mouse. So, I'm going to kind of cut through the fat, get right to the to the meat, and I'm going to show you my top 4 shortcuts that I use on a daily basis. So the first shortcut I want to show you is going to be Windows X. Okay, and what that does, as you can see, it brought a little pop-up menu over here to some certain shortcuts. The ones that I like to use or use often enough is Control Panel. I use Device Manager. I use Search. So those are some of the top ones that I use, in contrast to how we used to have to get it in other Windows 8, which was over here on the side. And so instead of having to scroll through all of these over here and trying to get to it, get back to the desktop, hit Windows X, you have your little pop-up, and shazam, you're right there. So this is shortcut number 1, which is Windows X. And on to my second shortcut. It's actually going to be a combination of either Windows M or Windows D. Windows M basically minimizes all the windows. You end up at the desktop. Windows D takes you to the desktop. So in reality, it's kind of the same, but it does a little bit different. So here we have it over here to where I'm going to have a few things open. And if I do Windows D, takes me to the desktop. Let me open up these windows one more time as well. And if I do Windows M, it minimized everything. Once again, you wouldn't know the difference because we ended up at the desktop. So either way, either M or D, I use D because it just comes more natural. You do what feels right for you. And on to the next shortcut, which has to do with search features. Okay, there's actually quite a few of shortcuts for different types of search features, but the most commonly used and the one that I use the most is Windows F. So if I do Windows F, a little pop-up over here, as you can see it says Files. It's almost like going to Windows Explorer. Okay, so this is going to check all your computer files. Now there are other ones like Windows Q, and that's for everywhere. Everywhere basically means that it's going to check your computer and it's going to check the internet and everywhere, including the internet. So if I do a little drop down, there's even ones for web images, web videos. Once again, I don't really use any of this stuff. I use Files. Why? Because if I really want to search the web, where do all of us go? Yeah, we go to Google. Okay, I'm not going to use Windows for my search. I'd rather go to Google or Yahoo or actual search engine. For me, it's just much easier and the right way to go about it. Okay, but you do what works for you. Once again, this is my shortcut that I like to use. Windows F, use it or lose it. So we are here at the home stretch. That's right, we got to our last Windows shortcut for Windows 8.1. You guys ready? Yes, I'm ready. So the example I'm going to do is pull up a little web browser over here, and I'm going to do the window key, either left arrow or right arrow, either way. Okay, and it's going to kind of cycle. So I just did a left arrow, and now it's taking it to the right, and now it's full screen. Left, to the right, to the front, now back, slide, and that's what Windows left and right does. Okay, that's my top 4 window keys. I'm gonna go and get me some rest. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and look for more videos on Windows and a lot of cool stuff.